I'm Brian Garry and here in the Neil, County Mayo. We're milking here just for the last couple of weeks. We started off in our new 12-unit parlour. We hope to milk 72 for the summer here through this, so that'll be our plan for the short term. We're milking in our home place in Parlour, and we just had outgrown the facilities we had. We needed more space for our cows. So we're looking at the welfare of them and everything like that. We just wanted to have a facility that would give the cows the greatest opportunity to produce what they're able to do. So we're decided to move up here to a different block of ground that was more suited to milking on. And I suppose that was a big decision to do that, but when we decided to look at different options, we looked at parlours and different options. But we felt that we had a Dairymaster at home, and we felt we got good performance out of it, so we stuck with the Dairymaster, and are very pleased with what we got today. I like the idea of being in control of my own cows when I'm doing it, and I suppose there's a lot of benefits to different systems, and I suppose each have their own pros and cons. I actually like milking, and it's one of the most enjoyable parts of being a dairy farmer is actually milking your own cows. So to lose that, to me, would be losing a lot of the place where I make most of my money, and I want to be in control of that, and this gives me a great control of that, so that I'm not depending on feedback. I can see myself on the ground how things are going, and I can respond immediately to any issues that may arise. We had an 8-unit parlour at home, and we would struggle to get over 6 rows an hour, so we were up on an hour and a half milking morning and evening, so that'd be 3 hours in the day. Here we're getting through the 6 rows in about an hour, and that's what we'll have for the summer, so we're saving about half an hour both milking, so it's a great saving. But the most thing is the ease of milking. At home you would be coming out of the 8-unit, a fully manual 8-unit, everything was done by yourself. Here I have cluster movers and I have automatic feeders, so I've more time to focus on the cows, so it gives you great peace of mind that way, and it's a lot easier on both man and beast.